Got him.
Got him. Oh my God.
He broke off?
Bro, he got off. Yeah, we can have a crawl. So you want this one?
It don't matter.
You can go with this one. I'm gonna go with this one. We're gonna have a crawl off. We're gonna call this a crawl off. See which crawl catch the most. You gotta pull that through that. Oh boy, that thing gone. This thing right here is about to do some damage. Do some dizzy. There we go. Put this back in there. We're in new territory. Alright, me and my boy just about to have a crawl in the creek. Found this new creek by this apartment complex. I don't even know the name of the creek. What we're gonna call it, I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure out a name. The creek is juicy. It's like 3 different parts of this creek. Let me see if I can make something come out. Yeah, it's 4 fish right there, bro, alone. I told you. Just chilling. I told you. Okay. Okay. You see him? I see him. You see him and I see him. And I'm about to get him.
The 3rd one.
Okay.
And there's a 4th one over here.
Let me throw it back down that way. And I'm about to just bring it back to him. If something don't get me while I'm down there. Bro, they just chilling.
They chilling down
Oh, my thing won't sink.
there. He coming to it.
I know.
He coming to it. He's right above his head.
There you go.
There you go. Got him. Got him. Got him.
Got him. Oh my God.
He broke off?
Bro, he got off.
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
Bro.
Oh, you see that shit?
Bro, he got off. I tried to set the hook on him. It's because I'm down. I'm up here, though. It's high, bro, to do this. It's high, bro, to do this. I set the hook on him. Oh, my God. Bruh. They gonna come back out. Don't worry about it. We just gotta work our way down.
Got you.
Oh, you got one?
Oh, he let go!
What happened? What happened? You didn't set the hook? You didn't pull up?
I did!
Don't just start reeling, bro. You gotta pull up a little bit. Oh, they're in that deep hole over there? Yeah. Hold on, let me give him another presentation then. You missed him, so let me try to get him.
He hit that shit.
Hold on. Oh, shoot.
Oh, you got him?
Yeah, I definitely got him.
Yeah.
I definitely got him. That hell of Mike.
There you go. That's a big bitch, too.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Look at him.
He hit that hell of Mike like a mother.
He hit that bitch.
He hit that hell of Mike like a mother. Hell of Mike gets it done. Hell of Mike gets it done.
He got away the first time. That thing was more of a man.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Now go back up over there. What you fishing with? You got that, what's called? You might need something to sink. You might need something to sink. He's pretty nice. Nice. Oh, you got one. You definitely got one. Pull him up. You definitely got one.
I got you.
Oh, you definitely got one. Oh, they hit him. We doubled up on him. We doubled up on him.
Nigga.
We doubled up on him.
Take a picture of that bitch.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's definitely a pound. Definitely a pound. Oh! Yeah, I got him. Yeah, I got him. Good one, too, bro. Good one, bro. Bro, he a good one. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, my God, bro. This might be my PB.
Oh my God.
Oh, he broke off. He broke my line. Yeah, he just broke my line just now. Yeah, he just broke my line. Didn't I tell you some big ones in here?
That was bigger than the other ones.
Oh yeah, he definitely was bigger than the other one.
Ooh, he broke the fucking line. Oh, that's a big motherfucker. Where you was hiding at?
Right there.
In the corner?
Right over there.
Yeah.
Well, you at the same place you had threw it. You just wasn't patient enough.
I
let it sink.
I thought I felt the. I thought I felt a tub, but I thought it was a wood.
Oh my God. He's definitely a 2-pounder.
Ooh, that motherfucker.
He's definitely a 2-pounder.
Look how big they
hold
is
on
in this
far
fucking
back,
creek.
You see how big they are in this creek?
Cause the other ones was for sure 1 pound, over 1 pound.
Yeah, he's definitely.
Cause both of them gave up a little.
Get my
fight.
picture real quick. I ain't got the I ain't bringing her down. What's it called?
That bitch big. Hold on.
You got the picture?
No.
Send it to me real quick so I can mark the spot real quick.
Damn, some of that thorns in my goddamn shit.
Bro, didn't I tell you this creek was hitting?
You gone?
Yeah, he right there. Oh yeah, right there. I definitely should get something over here, bro. I should definitely get one over there. Oh yeah, here we go. I thought. Got your ass.
That ain't the. Yeah, that's a different one. Yep, that's a different one. A little bit smaller. But they are in this creek, definitely.
Go to your text message part, like you're gonna send me a text message, and hit the picture part and just take a straight picture.
Okay.
I just need to mark this creek. Well, we're done for this creek. How'd you like the creek?
Yeah, that shit was excellent.
Excellent. Caught some nice ones. Caught a big one over there.
Big bass back there.
Big bass.
Big bass.
I got thorns and stuff in my foot.
Me too. I'll get them out.
Yeah, I got thorns in my foot. Gotta cross over some water. Creek fishing, you gotta love it, man. So, how was your first creek fishing experience?
Yeah, that shit was pretty decent. I ain't gonna lie.
We didn't get to go on the other side because he said he seen a snake.
Yeah, I seen
So,
a snake, so I wasn't going on that
but
side.
we're definitely gonna try to come back and try this spot out again.
I ain't fucking around.
Pretty good for today, though. And until next time, you know, holla at your boy, follow my page. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Fishing with Hood Rich. Bow.